dear doctor, I bring all the greetings and wishes from Speed Institute and all the faculties of Speed Institute
Yes, sir.
to Dr. Kapil for scoring a
Yes.
topmost rank in SS 2020 in the super specialty of DM cardiology, rank number 3.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
So it's a great privilege and pleasure to interact with you today. And
Same
cardiology,
here, sir. Same here.
see, the cardiology is a great counterpart for us. As a cardiothoracic surgeon, we
Yes,
have a
sir.
lot of things to do with you, and
Yes, sir.
you definitely will take more cases out of us and to do a lot of things.
That's
So
what I have heard.
we have very good relationship with them, and
Both positives and negatives.
so having all said, I just feel very happy for you because um, cardiology is something which is very unique, and and that specialty to go and do a super specialization and serve in that area is something really great, and you have chosen that specialty,
Yes, sir.
and I appreciate that, and also want to know from you your
Yes,
journey
sir.
in medicine, starting from your MBBS days till date. I mean,
Yes,
where
sir.
all you have done, what all you have done. Can you give a
Yes, sir.
brief summary?
Sir, this is Dr. Kapil. I'm a resident of Faridabad, Haryana. I did my MBBS from PGIMS Rohtak, Haryana, from 2009 batch it was. Then I did my MD medicine from UCMS Delhi University. In
Excellent.
2016 I joined, and then last year I passed out in the 2019 only. And afterwards, at least.
So why cardiology? Can you tell me where that kind of an interest? Did you develop that during MBBS days or PG days?
Sir, actually, I developed some interest in DM cardiology during my MD medicine days only. But I was totally unsure during MD medicine, so I did not prepare for cardiology at that time. But after passing out in 2019, I think during July and August, I was totally sure that I have to go for this branch, and actually I consulted many seniors, my batchmates, and also. And what three things which actually uh, fascinates me about cardiology is one is it is an interventional branch. I always wanted to go for an interventional branch, which leaves me three options: gastro, cardio, or pulmo. But it was more fascinating at it gives me much satisfaction when a dying patient comes to me and goes on his feet by himself.
More thrill.
More thrill, you can say that is also the more thrill, the better prognosis, I would say. Second part was like it is having a so wide spectrum. Cardiology is in itself, it's again a medicine, I would say. It gives you a opportunity to diagnose diseases as a diagnostician. Second, you can have the charm of that radiologist by the so much imaging, SPAC, PET, echo. And third one is the intervention, definitely. That's a feeling of being a surgeon. So it makes a charming combination of three. Medicine plus radiology plus surgeon. So that is actually very good package, I would say. And third is definitely it gives lots of options to what you want to practice as in future. Like you can go for electrophysiology, you can go for ACS, that is bread and butter. You obviously know that. And third one is interventions like ICD, pacemaker, CRT, CHD, TAVI, and all. So it was complete package for me. It actually fulfills all my requirements, I would say, as a branch.
So great to know your interest, how you developed the interest, and how you could accomplish it. Now, I want to know how you start. Can you share your journey of your preparation?
Yes, sir.
Where you started, how you started, details of your preparation, and can you tell me that?
Sir, actually, I was as I was telling you that I was totally unsure during my MD medicine days. So I focused totally on medicine, And definitely, as my consultants used to say, that patients are the best teachers. So I spent a lot of time with them only. And afterwards, after passing out in July and August, I realized that I have to pursue this branch only. Then from the starting, I just thought of, okay, let's give a look at Harrison only. And we can think of something else. And once I was done with the cardiology part of Harrison thoroughly, then in November, I think November and December, I somebody suggested me about speed. So I thought of why not give a chance to speed and have a little edge. And as in this era of technology, actually, coaching is always gives you an edge over others. It is actually it's an competitive exam, I would say. So definitely. So I joined speed in November to December. Then I realized there were two parts. One is the specialty, other is the medicine. I would talk about first about cardiology only. Uh, uh, Actually, Dr. Asim was very outstanding in cardiology part. He made me, he taught me the very basic concepts of Brown wall, and it was total Brown wall based learning. And I just had those basic concepts about angiography, about echo. I even did not know that four chamber view of echo at that time, literally. So he actually taught me some my initial milestones like an infant. So I was a big fan of Dr. Asim at that time, definitely, and now also. So and the second part was in the material. I would say those tests was very wonderful. Actually, I kept on solving the test repeatedly and regularly. But the explanation which were given as an answer to those test questions, those were explaining the MCQ as well as the topic it is related to. And
Mm.
I just want to congratulate the guy who just made those explanation. It was wonderful. Actually, I kept those explanation as my study material.
Okay.
That I would
You're
read from these.
talking about the test, the mock test or the topic-based test?
Sir, topic wise test cardiology.
Okay.
Initially, I was solving those. The mock test was came on in the later section, actually, in the later days. So then it was about medicine, I would say. Uh, Actually, I mainly focused on cardiology throughout my preparation. First, I was that clear. I was clear about that. My senior, one of my senior, actually suggested math, and he was a very good mentor to me. So he suggested that. Second, I focused mainly on Harrison, and Brownwald was complementary. And Dr. Asim actually paved a very good way for me that about that. And medicine in the for the medicine part, Dr. Karthikeyan is actually an amazing teacher. Definitely an amazing teacher. He uh, he had put up those videos on the app also, and in the last time when he started those Zoom classes, those were worked magical for me actually.
Okay.
uh, he was like he actually had an thorough knowledge. Actually, he had a thorough knowledge for the subject. He was telling us that he was a practicing physician also, might be helping him and helped also us also. But he had a very deep knowledge of the subject, definitely, of
Mm.
medicine. So for medicine, I what I did was only I followed Dr. Karthikeyan very religiously, and second, I just followed mostly the Harrison first part. I studied medicine only in the last month of preparation. I never studied before that for medicine, and I'm definitely sure about the fact that Dr. Karthikeyan was very helpful.
So now you tell me, see, if there is a practicing doctor, suppose he is practicing, is not full time preparing, you tell me, listening to medicine lecture videos, cardiology lecture videos alone. I'm talking
Haan ji,
about video,
haan ji,
and to solve those topic-wise tests and mock exams.
haan
Will
ji.
this be sufficient to crack a seat in cardiology?
Sir, actually, I myself was doing job throughout. I left my job for last 45 days.
Okay, okay. example for that?
I joined in that UCMS nephro department only because the work
Okay.
was less, definitely.
Hmm.
So it gave me the opportunity of being a financial stability also, and second, the preparing gave me time for preparing also, and so I can give example for that definitely. I would say for selection, I think we have to focus on Harrison, but for rank, for a good rank, it is always Brownwald we have to focus on. And as you suggested, I would say somehow the speed part of cardiology, I would say, can replace Brownwald.
Hmm.
We can
So
replace with that.
you tell me, did you read Brownwald?
Not fully, sir. Not fully. I read some selected sections.
Hmm. So rest of all dependent on the cardiology videos.
Yes, sir. Definitely. Definitely. I was totally reliable on and kind of handicapped also on speed.
No, this I want to ask you very clearly because
Yes.
we should not convey something which is not correct.
Yes,
So
sir.
we should
Definitely, sir.
because
Definitely, sir.
people should seeing this interview, they
Yes,
should
sir.
be they should understand this if
Yes, sir.
they could do religiously, and
Yes,
and in case they are not even able to, because it's not easy for everyone to read Brownwald.
yes,
Brownwald
sir.
can be read during DM days, not
Yes, sir.
before. It's very
Yes, sir.
difficult. That is not easy.
Yes, sir.
Harrison, of course, people are exposed to it during MD days, even MBBS days. So it
Yes,
is
sir.
a book that can be read. But if you are not able to read, will this be sufficient enough to go for exam? That was the question I asked, and you answered for the same.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, and now, where are you going to join?
Sir, actually, when I started preparing for cardiology, I always dreamt of GB Pant only. But I think I'll join Ramana Loya, RML Hospital, Delhi.
Okay. Anyway, you are stationed in Delhi
Yes, sir.
for sure.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Definitely.
Great. So, see, we are going to start one new concept in speed this year. That
Yes, sir.
means that there is a tag name. See, when in cardiology, we had sessions, cardiology sessions, topic wise. Then
Yes,
we
sir.
had Brownwald based classes on top in the
Okay, sir.
cardiology chapter. Yes.
Okay, sir.
So I'm going to add one more tag. Huh?
Okay, sir.
There is something called My Preparation. This tag name is called My Preparation.
My preparation. Okay.
My Preparation. In that, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to call Dr. Kapil, Dr. Manohar. See, I'm going to call
Yes, sir.
all the topics,
Yes,
and
sir.
I'm not going to allocate topic because faculty are going to take topic wise. So again,
Yes.
the next session will be taken topic wise. In my preparation, you will have some areas when you prepare, and during the exam, that question would have come from that particular area where you have prepared. You would have some
Okay.
areas you would have marked, so that you will know very clearly. So these are the
Yeah.
areas they asked. These are the areas I studied. So those the gist of what you have prepared, and that concise. So it will be open. That will be open, and
Okay, sir.
according to your time. So according to your time, permissions in RML,
Yes, sir.
and after that, and
Yes, sir.
whenever you have free time, we will ask we randomly to just share your preparation. It's called My
Okay.
Preparation. My Preparation is the topper's preparation. So I
Okay,
will
sir.
invite you as a faculty, as a team. Yes, as a team,
Okay,
to
sir.
be there as a part of this platform and to interact. See, what happens is you will keep on contributing whatever
Yes,
you
sir.
feel, and it will keep on adding to the content, and
Yes, sir.
see, adding content, making the content high standard. Now we have to sure shot say yes, of course. Now if I say, see, more than 95%, 96% what cardiology material content we have given, and speed is more than enough to take the seat of the choice. Now we need to make it 100%. So there might be some few percentage where we have missed here and there.
Okay.
So those things could be added, and it could boost a lot of content. So, I will be calling you after your admission process is over, once you have settled down.
Yes,
And
sir.
whenever you have some free time, you start contributing in the platform and keep interacting with you.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir. Sure. Definitely. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So, and once again, I congratulate you
Yes, sir.
and wholehearted wishes
Yes, sir.
from the entire Speed faculty,
Yes.
and
Yes, sir.
a great success in cardiology. And
sir.
all the three accomplishments that you wished will definitely happen.
Yes, sir.
And what you went for that, and you will feel very happy about it.
Yes, sir.
And definitely you will deliver very good care to all your patients.
Yes, sir.
And we are our wishes and prayers are with you.
Yes, sir.
And keep it up. And we are going to be as a team for a very long time.
Sure, sir, sure. I'll be there. Definitely there. You have been a wonderful mentor to start a speed like a platform. Earlier, there was no platform like for SS coaching, not such a renowned platform, I would say. So this platform definitely helped me. So, and as we are a protagonist or antagonist, whatever you say, we can definitely be in touch.
You gave a chance to speak. That's the absolute great statement I heard out of the interview. It's a great discussion with you, and we will keep interacting in future also.